Now we're going to set up some general course settings. And so I'm going to go back into my AP Biology course. I'm going to go into the editor. Then up here we have the tools icon. It looks like a little wrench. When I click that, I can do a few different things. I'm going to start off just looking at course settings. So in here, I could do things like I could change the picture. If I didn't like this butterfly, I can change that. I can change the color of the course. I really like to change that from course to course. It gives each course a different look for the students, so it makes it easier for them to know. Maybe I'll do orange. So AP Biology will start to look orange on the student's card page. Now, passing score, this is what we really need to look at. We need to change this. Passing score in our classes is 59.5. So I need to manually change that. We're going to use the A+, A minus scale. I like to show percent along with letter grade. Right. Once again, I just always change all these to 59.5. Actually, I'm going to do 70. This is objective, so this is like assignment by assignment. So you can decide what you wanted at. This one up here is our global course setting. So, now I need to set my grade scales for the A+. So it is 97.5. This is where it gets a little tricky. 92.5 is an A, and then 89.5 is actually an A minus. So you do have to do a little bit of changing of the grade scale here manually. This is one of those tricky things that we sometimes can easily forget to do, and it makes a big difference for students as they are trying to figure out their grades, and so we need to make sure we have these in here correctly. And 67 point. $62.5 and 59.5. Let me double check everything. 97, 92, 89, 87, 82, 79, 77, 72, 69, 67, 62, 59. This will be good. I'll hit done. We don't want students always to see their comparative class statistics. That's where students can see if they're failing and other people are passing. So I usually take that off. We always hide course completion percentage because that gets confusing for students. I like to do this to give it'll automatically give the soft zeros. I still have to go in and manually do permanent zeros, but by clicking this, automatically assigning 0 scores to pass through activities, that's going to, as soon as an assignment, if you have it due on Friday, on Saturday, if it hasn't been turned in, it'll be a 0 in the gradebook. However, students can still turn it in for full credit until it permanently zeros. And we want enrollment completion to be set to manual. If we have it as automatic, what ends up happening at the end of the semester, the students take their final exam, and once they submit it takes them off your grade book, and then you have to go search for them, and it's a lot easier if you just have it set to manual. There's some other things in here that we're not going to get into too much. One thing I do like to do, I like to add a grading category of V-class assignments, because I don't want my V-class assignments to end up being worth more than 10%, so I like to put them into their own categories, so when I look at the weights later on or how much it's worth, I can easily see it. All right. Hit save. Okay.